Well, I wanted to give my own evaluation of Webflo. It is promoted as being easy. Instead, I found it extremely difficult to learn. And so I had to devote a lot of effort and determination and discipline for a long time to learn it. But in the end, it was well worth the effort because it is fantastic and incomparable to anything else out there. Why is it that Americans always have to be sold everything as being easy? You know, some of us mature people learn in life that anything of value takes work and effort. And consequently, the young people proselytizing Webflo promoted is easy in this cute teenager charming kind of attitude, and often their instructional videos are done with lousy preparation. They have to backtrack all the time to correct what they've just said. I guess the idea is that as long as I'm charming and cute, it makes it okay. But it's not okay. You know, not everyone who wants to learn this is a teenager sitting on his bed in his stockings, eating Cheetos and Coca-Cola. As I said, it can be very frustrating, and you have to really want to learn the system to continue. Now, I learned it all through this 3-hour instructional video on how to build a one-page site from a guy named Will. I can't find his video anymore. I guess maybe he deleted it because some parts of it were a bit outdated. Now, I followed that video second by second, often playing each time 5, 6, 7 times before moving on. I pursued his teachings like this for months with a lot of determination, and then I went back and redid everything 2 or 3 times. The key is to do it over and over again until it becomes second nature. And after all of that, when you actually get down to building your site, you go, oh my God, what do I do now? I remember, I guess it reminds me of Tango. I have taught Tango for 20 years, and I have found that you may be the best Tango student in class, but when you actually get to the dance floor the first time, you go, oh my God, how do I begin? And I was finally able to start my site, and very slowly and methodically I constructed it, referring back to Will's 3-hour video. And it is only after a long time in doing all that that the Webflo instructional videos can be very helpful. Now, notwithstanding all of that effort, much of the learning comes through trial and error. I sought help from the Webflo forum several times. The first time I got a response very quickly, and it was the right answer. 2 other times I got no response at all. Another time I got a very cursory answer, which was no help at all. Now, the good news is that once you've learned something, and I mean really learn it, it becomes second nature, and it helps you to learn on your own through trial and error. In fact, the trial and error process becomes an instinctual skill in itself. I guess another example is sort of like learning accounting. If you've ever taken an accounting course, you know what I mean. You have to do it a lot to finally get the thing. But as I said, in the end, it was well worth the effort. Now, I'm 69 years old, of very average intelligence. I went to an average university. And if an old Mexican like me can learn it, anybody can. My advice to Webflo would be to construct a full-line course in the manner of those online courses from universities like for example, the courses in Coursera. There are any number of examples in this area. That would make it much easier to learn. Well, the link to my site is below. Please go look at it. Give me some constructive criticism or insult me. I don't care. But if you need any help, and if I can be of help, just write me and let me know. Okay, that's my own review of the thing. See you later.